Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall WhatsApp desktop from PC. So let's get started. So you're gonna head over to the search bar at the bottom and you're gonna search for settings. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options at the left side. So you're gonna click on apps and then at the top, you're gonna click on installed apps. You'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be able to see all the installed apps on your PC. So you're going to scroll down until you find WhatsApp. If you're not able to find WhatsApp in the list, you can go to the search bar and simply type in WhatsApp. And here is WhatsApp. So you're going to click on the three dots right next to it and click on uninstall and then simply click on uninstall and you can see it says uninstalled. And now when you go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp, or even you go to search at the bottom and search for WhatsApp, you'll be able to see that WhatsApp is not on your PC anymore. That means you have successfully uninstalled WhatsApp desktop. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.